वेलकम टू एचडी एजुकेटर क्लासेस। आज हम करेंगे चैप्टर 1 साइंस के जो ऑल इंटरनल क्वेश्चन जो हमारे चैप्टर के बनते हैं। चैप्टर हम पहले कर चुके हैं चैप्टर 1। ओके, और अगर आपको पीडीएफ चाहिए तो आप इसमें लिंक दिया गया है, उसके लास्ट में चले जाना। तो हमारा फर्स्ट इंटरनल क्वेश्चन बनता है, हु डिस्कवर्ड सेल एंड हाउ? रॉबर्ट हुक वॉज द फर्स्ट साइंटिस्ट हु in 1665 observed thin slices of cork through his self-designed microscope. Okay, next question है, an amoeba and an earthworm are of different sizes. Why? The answer is this difference in the size of these two is due to the number of cells present in them. While amoeba is a living organism consisting of a single cell and earthworm has millions of cells. Question third is, name the smallest cell. The smallest cell is PPLO. PPLO, the full form of is pneumonia like organism. यहाँ पे N के बाद आई आएगा निमोनिया। ओके, ये कट हो जाएगा आपका। They are also called as microplasma. उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? माइक्रोप्लाज्मा। द स्मॉलर सेल इज PPLO, प्लूरोनिमोनिया लाइक ऑर्गेनिजम्स। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेम द लार्जेस्ट सेल। लार्जेस्ट सेल कौन सी होती है? द ओस्ट्रिच एग। नेम द लार्जेस्ट सेल। द लार्जेस्ट सेल इज द ओस्ट्रिच एग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज, राजन broke hen's egg and transferred the content in flat plate. Write the two observations made by him. The answer is, he observed two clear portions. The central yellow mass is the yolk. It is surrounded by the it is surrounded by the transparent white jelly-like fluid called albumin. Okay. Question number 6 is, what does albumin and yolk represent in the hen's egg? Albumin and yolk represent the reserve food material in the cytoplasm. Question number 7 is, draw a neat and well-labeled diagram to show cross section of hen's egg. तो ये आपको डायग्राम है दिया हुआ है, तो आपको ये डायग्राम बनाना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज, ड्रॉ डायग्राम्स टू शो डिफरेंट शेप्स ऑफ सेल्स। ये भी आपके डायग्राम्स हैं जो आपकी बुक में दिए गए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इज, नेम द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड द लॉन्गेस्ट सेल इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी। द स्मॉलेस्ट सेल इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी इज रेड ब्लड सेल एंड द लॉन्गेस्ट सेल इज नर्व सेल। स्मॉलेस्ट सेल ह्यूमन बॉडी में कौन सी है? रेड ब्लड सेल और लॉन्गेस्ट नर्व सेल। असाइनमेंट 1.2 एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन जो इसके दिए गए हैं वो है, नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं हम। डिस्क्राइब एन एक्टिविटी टू मेक ए टेम्परेरी स्लाइड ऑफ चीक सेल्स। एक्टिविटी है तो टेम्परेरी स्लाइड ऑफ चीक सेल जो हमने की थी चैप्टर में, वो ये, टेक ए क्लीन टूथपिक एंड सेकंड, स्क्रैच इट जेंटली ऑन द इनर साइड ऑफ योर चीक। थर्ड इज, सम फ्रोदी मटेरियल अपीयर्स ऑन द टूथपिक। Number 4, rub it in the center of a clean glass slide. Number 5, let it stand for a minute. And 6 is, put a cover slip and observe it under a microscope. और observation हमें क्या मिली इसमें? We will observe polygonal isolated cells in clusters and also darkly stained nucleus in each cell. Question number 2 is, describe an activity to make a slide of onion peel. The first is, put a drop of water on a glass slide. Second, place a small piece of neatly cut onion peel on it. Put a drop or two of saffron in. Stand for a minute. Put a cover slip and observe it under the microscope. An observation is, we will see that the cells here are arranged in rows. There is a dark structure in the center of each cell. It is called nucleus. Question number 3, what is the shape of red blood cell and white blood cell respectively? Red blood cells disc shaped and white blood cells irregular or amoeba like shape. Question number 4 is, what is protoplasm? Protoplasm is a gel like living matter present inside the cell membrane. कहाँ present होता है ये? cell membrane में। Question number 5 is, what is the function of cell membrane? Cell membrane controls the entry and exit of substances as per the requirements of the cell. Question number 6 is, what is cytoplasm? The portion of the protoplasm lying inner to the cell membrane but outside the nuclear membrane is called cytoplasm. Question number 7 is, what is the function of cytoplasm? It acts as a ground substance for all cell activities. Question number 8 is, name the components that work together to provide a unique living nature to the protoplasm. It is made up of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins, along with a large proportion of water. All these components work together to provide unique living nature to the protoplasm. Question number 9 is, what are genes? Genes are the unit of inheritance which gets transferred from one generation to the next. Assignment 3 है हमारा. What is the function of vacuole in amoeba? In amoeba, food materials are held in its food vacuoles for digestion. What are ribosomes? What is their function? There are tiny granules present in the cytoplasm and on the rough ER. They help in protein synthesis. Question number 3 is, amoeba, a single cell, performs all the necessary functions. Explain. Although amoeba is a single cell, but it performs all the necessary, like it captures and digests food, respires, excretes, grows and reproduces. Define tissue. Give example. A group of cells performing a specialized function forms a tissue. Example, nervous tissue. Define organ. Give example. A group of tissues performing a specific function forms an organ. Example, kidney. Define organ system. Give example. A number of organs work together to form an organ system. For example, digestive system. Next is, what are the levels of organization in multicellular organism? Levels of multicellular, first of all is cell, then tissue, organ system, and last is organisms. Give reasons why animal cell shows a large variation in their shapes. Animals have a cell membrane as their outer cover. This provides flexibility to animal cells so they can show a large variation in their shapes. And question number 9 is, what are plastids? Cell organelles found in plant cells. These may contain pigments which help in photosynthesis and are responsible for imparting color to fruits, vegetables and flowers. Question number 10 is, explain why papaya is yellow in color whereas leaves are green. Papaya is yellow due to the presence of chromoplast, whereas leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Question number 11, what are cell organelles? Cell organelles are specialized subunit within a cell that has a specific function. Next, draw a neat and well-labeled diagram. Next is, what are chromosomes? Chromosomes are thread-like structure found in the nucleus and are responsible for the inheritance of characters. Question number 14 is, what are genes? Genes are the unit of inheritance which get transferred from one generation to the next. तो ये थे हमारे कुछ इंटरनल क्वेश्चंस. I hope you like it. And if you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.